What's up, guys? Welcome back to Exploding Kittens. We're just gonna wait for people to get back in. Just waiting for the players. I got one guy in. Can we win? Steal one. Are you switching them around? Alright. Okay. Take your time. Dude. Doesn't take like 10 minutes to change the future. What's the point of that? Let's see. Alright, let's do that. Hey. We got a lot of cards. Let's see. I want to take that. Maybe I can get the other card too. Dang. Let's draw from bottom. Dang. Put it back on bottom. Oh my, come on. YOLO. Doesn't matter. We lose anyways. Let's do it again. Yay! Let's do this one. Let's get right into it. Oh boy. I have the streaking kitten, so I'm safe from the bomb. I'm safe from the bomb. I don't need to draw. Let me hear you say, hey, oh. Ooh. Alright, one down. Three more to go. Alright, let's just draw one. Yeet. Someone try to steal from me, I'll just give it to him. Ha ha ha. See the future. Oh, look. Maybe I should have used this first. Why? How? It's dumb. So dumb. Why? Alright. Alright, one gotta go. You know it's being stupid. But I don't trust anything. Don't know if I should draw. You know what? Ha ha ha. Oh, come on! Stupid! This game's dumb. Oh, yay! There's nothing I could have done. Stupid. Be quiet, you stupid. Let's try again. Thank you. Why does it take so long? That's good. I don't care. Okay, I'm muting you. Yo. Oh! Man, what's how to see the future? Who cares? Okay, we kind of. Alright. Let's reverse it. Stupid. Well, you stole from him. You get more cards than me. Who cares? Come on! Dumb! May have a small chance of winning, but I doubt it. Did I win? Nope. Let's just draw. Yay. Can I steal one from you? Let's make sure. Alright, alright. Let's see what there is. Oh, yes. Taking that. I just comes down to the last one. Can I end it on a win? Maybe. So I save those. I'll draw it. And diffuse. Alright, he has 4 cards. Good idea to do that. That way I'll win if he has double slaps. See? That's a good idea. I can do a single slap. Oh, I hope both of those are not. Whew. We did it, guys. We finally got a win. Well, maybe we can continue this win streak in the next video. I'm gonna leave it off here. Like the video and subscribe. Blah. Yeah, yeet. Bye.